Welcome, seekers of inner mastery, to a journey of profound transformation guided by the ancient philosophy of Stoicism. In the tumultuous sea of existence, Stoicism stands as a beacon of unwavering strength, offering us a path to navigate the storms of life with grace and resilience. Today, we embark on a quest to unveil the 20 Stoic habits that hold the key to daily mastery, empowering us to transcend the shackles of circumstance and cultivate a life of virtue and tranquility. 1. Embrace the power of perception. As the Stoic sage Marcus Aurelius once said, "The happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts." Train your mind to perceive adversity as an opportunity for growth and self-discovery. Embrace the challenges that come your way, for they are the forge upon which your character is tempered. 2. Practice acceptance. Demand not that events should happen as you wish, but wish them to happen as they do happen, and you will go on well, advised Epictetus. Embrace the natural order of the universe and relinquish your attachment to outcomes beyond your control. By accepting reality as it is, you free yourself from the burden of unfulfilled expectations. 3. Cultivate inner resilience. In the face of adversity, cultivate inner resilience like the Stoic philosopher Seneca, who remarked, "We suffer more often in imagination than in reality." Develop the capacity to endure hardship with equanimity, knowing that true strength lies not in the absence of struggle, but in the ability to persevere amidst it. 4. Practice mindfulness. The present moment is all you ever have, reminds Eckhart Tolle. Cultivate mindfulness as a daily habit, grounding yourself in the here and now. By anchoring your awareness to the present moment, you transcend the anxieties of the past and the uncertainties of the future, finding solace in the eternal now. 5. Embrace virtue as your guide. Let virtue be your guiding star in the vast expanse of existence. As the Stoic philosopher Zeno of Citium taught, the good life is one guided by reason and virtue. Cultivate the cardinal virtues of wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance, embodying the noble ideals that elevate the human spirit. 6. Practice self-discipline. No man is free who is not master of himself, declared Epictetus. Cultivate self-discipline as the cornerstone of your daily routine, exercising restraint over your desires and impulses. By mastering yourself, you attain true freedom, liberated from the shackles of indulgence and excess. 7. Seek wisdom in every experience. Approach each experience as an opportunity to gain wisdom and insight. As the Stoic philosopher Epictetus advised, every difficulty in life presents us with an opportunity to turn inward and to invoke our own inner resources. Embrace the lessons inherent in every triumph and tribulation, for therein lies the path to enlightenment. 8. Practice gratitude. He is a wise man who does not grieve for the things which he has not, but rejoices for those which he has, wrote Epictetus. Cultivate an attitude of gratitude, recognizing the blessings that abound in your life. By focusing on abundance rather than scarcity, you awaken to the richness of existence. 9. Develop emotional resilience. It is not events that disturb people, it is their judgments concerning them, observed Epictetus. Train yourself to cultivate emotional resilience in the face of adversity. Rather than allowing external circumstances to dictate your inner state, cultivate a steadfast inner calm that remains unshaken amidst the storms of life. 10. Practice the art of letting go. Freedom is the only worthy goal in life. It is won by disregarding things that lie beyond our control, advised Epictetus. Practice the art of detachment, releasing your attachment to material possessions, fleeting pleasures, and transient accolades. By letting go of that which is beyond your control, you reclaim your inner sovereignty. 11. Live in alignment with nature. Follow nature, urged the Stoic philosopher Seneca. Align your life with the rhythms of the natural world, recognizing your place within the grand tapestry of existence. By attuning yourself to the wisdom of nature, you harmonize your inner being with the universal order, finding peace in the ebb and flow of life. 12. Practice moderation in all things. Moderation in all things, advised the ancient Greek poet Hesiod. Cultivate temperance in your desires and appetites, neither indulging in excess nor depriving yourself of life's simple pleasures. By finding balance in all aspects of your life, you cultivate inner harmony and well-being. 13. Embrace adversity as a teacher. The gem cannot be polished without friction, nor man perfected without trials, remarked Confucius. Embrace adversity as a teacher and guide, recognizing that it is through struggle that we emerge stronger and more resilient. Rather than shying away from challenges, embrace them as opportunities for growth and self-discovery. 14. Practice compassion and empathy. The wise man is he who is incapable of suffering, declared Epictetus. Cultivate compassion and empathy towards yourself and others, recognizing the shared humanity that binds us all together. By extending kindness and understanding to those in need, you sow the seeds of goodwill and harmony in the world. 15. Focus on what is within your control. Happiness and freedom begin with a clear understanding of one principle. Some things are within our control and some things are not, wrote Epictetus. Direct your energy towards that which is within your control, releasing yourself from the tyranny of external circumstances. By focusing on your thoughts, actions, and attitudes, you reclaim your power to shape your own destiny. 16. Practice the discipline of action. Don't explain your philosophy, embody it, advised Epictetus. Cultivate the discipline of action, translating your noble ideals into tangible deeds. Rather than merely espousing lofty principles, embody them in your daily actions, living with integrity and authenticity. 17. Embrace impermanence. This too shall pass, reminds us of the impermanent nature of existence. Embrace the transience of life with equanimity, knowing that all things are fleeting and ephemeral. By embracing impermanence, you cultivate a deep appreciation for the preciousness of each moment, living fully and authentically in the here and now. 18. Practice the contemplation of death. Keep death and exile before your eyes each day, along with everything that seems terrible. By doing so, you'll never have a base thought, nor will you have excessive desire, advised the Stoic philosopher Epictetus. Contemplate the inevitability of death as a reminder of the impermanence of life, infusing each moment with a sense of urgency and purpose. By embracing the reality of mortality, you awaken to the preciousness of each fleeting moment. 19. Cultivate inner tranquility. True happiness is to enjoy the present without anxious dependence upon the future, wrote Seneca. Cultivate inner tranquility as the foundation of your well-being, finding peace and contentment in the present moment. By quieting the incessant chatter of the mind, you awaken to the profound serenity that lies at the core of your being. 20. Live virtuously and authentically. Living well and beautifully and justly are all one thing, remarked Socrates. Live virtuously and authentically, aligning your thoughts, words, and deeds with the highest ideals of humanity. By living in accordance with your true nature, you fulfill your highest potential and contribute to the greater good of all. Conclusion. In the crucible of daily life, the 20 Stoic habits serve as our guiding stars, illuminating the path to inner mastery and self-transformation. By embracing the wisdom of Stoicism and embodying its timeless principles in our daily lives, we unlock the door to a life of profound meaning, purpose, and fulfillment. May these Stoic habits inspire you to cultivate the virtues of resilience, wisdom, and compassion, guiding you on a journey of self-discovery and empowerment. As you embark on this noble quest, remember the words of the Stoic sage Epictetus. He is a wise man who does not grieve for the things which he has not, but rejoices for those which he has. Embrace the gifts that abound in your life, and let the flame of Stoic wisdom burn brightly within your soul.